Situation right now is very difficult to get any free motion control AI tool. But I have been researching for 2 weeks and listed some best amazing free motion control AI tools that won't give you many credits. Also, you can generate as many video as you want. You can find the best tool by the flow we dive deep in the video. That's why I recommend you not to skip. So let's begin. First of all, open any browser and search for Fal AI. Click in Start for free and make a sign in using Google account. As soon as you sign in, you will drop into an interface like this. Also, you will receive 200 free credits. If you click in the gift icon, you can claim more 180 free credits. By this, we got total 380 credits, and now for generating motion control video, go to this AI tools and tap in AI motion control. Now choose role shift, and here you can see we have the option to upload the video and the character we want to animate. When the upload is done, simply click create for 50 coins. Here is our video generating, and in some moments we got our video here. To download it, click on this download button and let's take a look. Now listen carefully. If you skip the video, you will also cry in the comment like this. The main reason is in YouTube, we cannot show directly how to get the unlimited method clearly, but we show it in any part of the video that it does not break the YouTube rules. So if you want the unlimited trick of all the tools I show in today's video, you need to watch the video till end. Let's move on. Our second platform is Kling AI. Same as before, make a sign up and you will be dropped into the main interface of this website. In the first login, you will get 100 free credits. Upload the video and image here. For model, you can find Kling AI's popular model, also Kling AI's own model. Let's choose Kling 2.6 and generate our first video. Now the third and a popular website, that is Fal AI. Again, make a sign in using the Google account. Choose the option motion control from here. Now upload the video and the character image here. The amazing part of the website is here, you can get 3 models to use generating motion control video. Let's choose the latest model and hit generate. Here is the video generated, but we will compare it to our final tool now. So get the tool link from the description. This is Running Hub AI. Make sure you open the website from the link and sign in using Google. As soon as you complete the sign in, you will drop into this interface. And if you click into your profile, you can see you will get 500 to 3,000 free credits. Now for generate a motion control video, get this workflow link from the description. So here is the main workflow of this website. To upload the video, zoom in and upload here. For the image, upload it here. No worries, I'm using a low-end laptop so the video is not showing, but it's added. Now if you zoom here, you can maximize the FPS from 30 to 120 FPS. But for me, 30 is good. When everything is set up, click on this Run That in Light. Before I use this tool many times, this is a best tool in this time. As you can see here, the video is generated, and to download it, simply click in this download button. Let's look at this result and compare it with Fal AI and get our best tool. Now all the difference in front of you. From my opinion, Running Hub is the best motion control AI tool. So this was the amazing video of motion control AI tool. Hope this video helps you a lot, and if it did, make a like, subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one.